It's a good question. I don't collect, so I don't really have like a favorite wall hanger or something like that. I've got a couple that are a little bit sound known to me, but it's not that I don't use them very much. The question I guess I'd like to answer is the ones that people ask me, what is the best axe? And I kind of relate that to real estate. You know, it's all about location, 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 but an axe, it's an application. It's how are you going to use that axe? And that will decide on which axe you should use. You know, if you work from the top down, a 3.5 pound or a 4 pound felling axe on a 36-inch handle is typical. If you're going to be doing some serious felling, that's the axe to use. If you're going to be doing some large bucking, probably the same size head, maybe on a 32-inch handle. And then you work your way down to like a boy's axe, which is like this size. This is like 2.25 pound on a 28-inch handle. This is a nice all-around. It's almost like the most underutilized axe in today's market, in my opinion. It can fell small trees. It can limb. You can pound wedges, split firewood. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with it. And so boys' axes are one of my favorite to use because they're so versatile. And then you want to drop down to either a smaller boys' axe or even a large hatchet for bushcrafting or processing kindling. And then even to the small scout hatchets where people use them even to skin game, make small fires and stuff. So the question, what's my favorite? It all depends on what I'm doing. I have preferences in all those categories.